There are two types of corals, the hard corals and the soft corals. They are classified in families just like the fishes. Known under the scientific name of phylum Cnidaria coelentere, meaning hollow intestine, these are animals that have an empty housing that carry all their properties and functions. For example, the coral barrier reefs that surround us is the result of the construction of a solid mineral structure, that is, calcium carbonate, by organisms living in symbiosis and that are commonly known as corals. It is the union of an algae known as the zooxanthilla that provides nearly all the food to the coral. The coral also consumes a small amount of zooplankton as the rest of its food. In return, the coral provides the zooxanthilla algae with a place to grow. Corals depend greatly on the temperature, light intensity, and acidity of its surrounding environment. Any disturbance in these conditions can cause the expulsion of the zooxanthilla algae, consequently leading to the decay and eventually to the death of the coral. There are numerous coral species that form complex marine ecosystems, and those found in the shallow waters are endowed with the richest biodiversity. Large coral structures, especially those found in tropical waters, provide ecological habitats to thousands of animals that derive their food, shelter, and safety. Many fishes directly rely on corals for a daily living. The Acroporidae are classified in at least 31 genuses. These are hard corals that comprise also the porites, which exist in several types. The porites are generally oval-shaped and have a very smooth porous surface. They are normally found in the lagoons and can live at depth of up to 50 meters. Some porite corals can grow to heights of 3 meters and laterally can exceed 5 meters. Soft corals fall under the Zoanthea family and comprise the hexacorallias, which, in fact, are no other than the common anemones. There are at least 20 families of soft corals, and these are subclassified into many genuses and species. They are generally very beautiful. One of the species, the Sarcophagan, is very attractive and is in great demand by many aquarists. Soft corals feed on mussels and crustaceans. They have as predator the sea snail, and they generally live on rocks near reef barriers. Contrary to hard corals, soft corals have a flexible skeleton that allow them to waver along with the water.